In this video, we will do binary to octal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion, and octal to binary conversion also. Okay, from binary to octal, binary to hexa, and from octal to binary. Firstly, we will do binary to octal conversion. In binary to octal conversion, suppose I am taking an example 100 111 010. Suppose this is the number you have to convert from binary to octal to base 8. Okay, so you will make the group of 3 bits starting at the LSB, least significant bit. Okay, in this direction you will make the group of 3 bits starting from the LSB to MSB, most significant bit. Okay, so I am going to make the group of 3 bits 0 1 0, then 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then 0 0 1 0 0 1. This way you will be making, okay, binary integers are grouped into groups of 3 bits. You will be making group of 3 bits from LSB to MSB. Fine. Now you will be writing the octal equivalent of this binary. Okay, for that you can make a table. That will be easy. 3-bit combination only there. So 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and the octal numbers are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, these are the octal equivalent. So now 100 100, the octal equivalent of this binary group 100 will be 4. So 4. Then 111 111, octal equivalent will be 7 in this case. Then 010 010, this is binary equivalent of 2. Okay, so the answer will be 472 base 8 in octal. Now suppose this number is given 110 10110, and you have to convert it to octal. Start making the groups of 3 bits from LSB to MSB. Okay, then this. Now there are only 2 bits. Okay, you will be adding in this direction. In integer part you will be adding 0 to the left side, and if there is some fractional part also like this, then you will be adding 0 in this direction. Okay, for fractional part also you will be making the group of 3 bits and you will be writing the equivalent octal number. And if suppose in making groups there are not 3 bits, if you are not getting 3 bits in a group, then you can add 0 on right side, and in case of integer part you will be adding 0 left side. Okay, this way. So suppose this is the binary number you have to convert into octal, then what will be the equivalent of 011 011 3. Now write down 3. 010 2, 110 110 6, 326 point, again 110 110.6 base 8. Okay, so this way you will be converting a number from base 2 to base 8. Now the second conversion is binary to hexadecimal. How you will convert a number from binary to hexa? This conversion is very easy. Suppose there is a hexadecimal number, binary number, you have to convert to hexa, that is 101011111010. This number you have to convert from base 2 to base 16. Okay, the number is 1010111010. Now if you have to convert a number from binary to octal, you will be making groups of 3 bits, but in this case you will be making groups of 4. Okay, starting at the binary point. Similarly, you will be making groups. Instead of making 3 bits group, you will be making 4 bits group in case of hexa. Okay, so 1 second group, and again in third group there are only 2 bits, so you will be adding 2 zeros over here. Okay, write down the groups. 0 1 0 1 one group, and 1 1 0 1 another group, then 0 1 you will be adding 0 0. Okay, third group. Fine. Now you need to write the hexa equivalent of these binary numbers. Okay, that you can easily do from the table. If you have, we can do in the same table. No, we will be making the separate. Okay, 4 5 6 7 8 1 1 1 1 4 1 1 1 1, then 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 9 onwards. A B C D E and F. Okay, A B C D E F. Now 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 A, then 1 0 1 1 B, then 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 2. Okay, so the equivalent hexadecimal number will be 2BA. Fine. Now similarly you can write down the hexadecimal equivalent of fractional part also. Okay, suppose this 101, you will be making group of 4 bits. You can add 0 over here to make the group, then the binary hexa equivalent. Okay, that will be 1010 A. So A, 2B8 point A. Fine. Now how to convert octal to binary? If you have to convert a number from octal to binary. This conversion is performed by converting each octal digit to its 3 bits binary equivalent. Okay. Octal number will be given. You will be converting each digit of octal number to the binary. Okay. How you will convert? Suppose you have this number 472. So similarly there will be 3 bits in octal to binary conversion. Okay, you will be converting this octal number to binary number. There will be 3 bits. 2. Now again you can use the table. 3 bits. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 0 to 7, total 8 numbers are there in octal number system. Okay, now binary equivalent of 2 in 3 bits, 0, 1, 0. Equivalent of 7 is 1, 1, 1. Then 4, 1, 0, 0. Okay, now combine your answer. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Fine. So the binary equivalent of octal number 472 will be 100111010. Okay. Now I am going to take one more example, that is 5431 suppose. Then binary equivalent of 1, then 3, then 4, then 5. Binary equivalent of 1 will be in 3 bits 0, 0, 1, then 3, 0, 1, 1, then 4, 1, 0, 0, then 5, 1, 0, 1. Now the final answer will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Base 2. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, base 8 to base 2. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1.